Hello everybody, Charlie Cummins here again. I own Phoenix Masonry Training Center here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. I had some actual phone calls from bricklayers who were commenting on how to put the line up and how to use corner blocks and line dogs and twigs and all this. So I'm going to slow down a little bit and try to make it more clear. Alright, this is a line dog, okay? As you can see, that's the way it goes up. And you got a line dog down here. Now this is for when you're laying block to the line, not lifting up over the line, which is, I don't recommend you picking a block up and lifting it over the line like this. I suggest you always use this. That way you lay to the line and you don't have to lift the block up over the line. Okay, now I'm going to show you in slow motion what I was trying to do on this. Alright, what you do is you take, you put your thumb on this thing, go around about 2 or 3 times. Then go 1 course, 2 courses, 3 courses, 4, 5, 6. Then you take, pull it over like this, and come in here and do this number. You got that? I'll do it again. You come over here. You come over here, then you go like this, and you come out here, okay? You got that? Then you put it up, like that. Now, on this end, as you can see, that's like that. So let me show you how to do that. Alright. On this, can you zero in on this? Okay, what you're doing here is, I like to stand here, put your hand like that. Flip it over. Take this and stick it in there. Like that. Then take and turn this over and bring it around like that. Okay? Then put it up. Okay? Now, when you finish that course and you're gonna go another course, here's what you do. You come over here, you take this off. This is the pin end. That is always the pull end. Always on the left is the pin, the right is the pull. All you have to do now to speed up the operation is this guy here, he takes, unrolls it, rolls off one. You see that? Just roll one off and stick it up. Now right before he puts the line up, he gives it a couple of tugs because there may be 2 or 3 bricklayers in between. The guy on the pull end, he cannot see you. So if you give it a pull, then he knows that you're ready and you're up. You just set it back down. Now, the guy on this end, he knows that all he has to do now, he don't have to do anything except put the line up. In other words, he's already got it, so he just puts the line up. You're ready to go another course. And you do that until you get 6 or 7 courses up. You know, most of the time you're going to have to grout every 4 feet. So that'll get you 6 courses of 4 feet of block. Alright. The twig is, if you're pulling a wall, say 80 feet long, 58, 60 feet long, the line is going to sag a little bit. And so the guy on the pin side, he sights it. He gets down and looks at it. And he tells the twig man, you're a little high or you're a little low. And the guy in the twig, he can adjust it so that you keep the wall straight. Now, the way that you do a corner block, I'm just going to take this down. The way that you do a corner block is, we're here, so the way that it's going to be pulled, you put it like this, then you take and go 1, 2, 3, like that, and like that, at least 2 or 3 times. I'll do it 3 times. That line is not going anywhere, okay? Then you take and you set it up, put it on the corner, and be sure that everybody knows it's there, because if somebody knocks that corner block off, you got a projectile coming about 100 miles an hour, and you don't want it to hit you. If it does hit anybody, they're going to the hospital. And then when you get down on this end, this is a pull end. So the guy on the pull end, he pulls the line real tight, and he puts the string through, set like so, and then he rolls it 1, 2, 3 times, then put it down through there, and he puts the line up. And you got a good tight line. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you want any more instructions, feel free to call me. My phone number is 602-692-1896, 602-692-1896. I'll answer any questions. I enjoy getting phone calls. That's kind of old-fashioned. People actually talk to each other on the phone. So feel free to call me anytime, and we'll discuss anything that you want to know. If I don't know the answer, then I know somebody that I can, if I don't know the answer, I know people who do, and I'll be glad to help you. So we teach men and women to lay brick, block, and stone. With our Master Mason program, when you finish it, you'll be able to lay 150 modular brick in 1 hour. You'll also be able to lay 50 8-inch block, 8/8/16 CMU block. You'll be able to lay 50 in 1 hour or less. You'll be able to build all your brick and block corners using a level, your leads, you building a brick and block leads out of both brick and block. And the final test is you'll be able to build a 2-foot square brick chimney or pier, lay 100 brick in 2 hours or less, and build that same size pier out of 8-inch block and lay 24 block in 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay? When you can do that, you can go anywhere in the world and you're going to get top dollar on any crew. We work with employment staffing companies that can get you working a job anywhere in the United States, some even in Australia, New Zealand, wherever you want to go, okay? They're going to see that you get top dollar. And the reason they're going to see that you get top dollar is because the more money you make, the more money they're going to make. Okay, so any questions, give me a ring, and that concludes this. The line dog out to the lane, to the line, over the line, and all this. Same goes for brick. Thank you, and have a good day.